Winning the Gradam this year has given the Connacht Hotel so many opportunities to market the hotel and the Connacht Hospitality Group to a huge range of customers we would never reach in the past.
We use the Irish language on a weekly basis across all our channels, but in particular on the Connacht Hotel Twitter and Facebook pages. And we found the reaction has been absolutely fantastic. People love to see it. We've got a lot of more engagement on these posts in particular. So that's fantastic to see. It proves the worth of putting it out there. And we're definitely going to continue to use the Irish language across all our platforms.
We've won an Irish speaking conference from the Gaillimhe since winning the Gradam Awards. You know, they're the results that really make it worthwhile when you see that extra business coming in and you know where it's coming from. You know it's as a direct result of winning the Gradam. It's huge.
Dígait fáilte go dtí Connacht Hotel.
Tá gach dainne san ástán ionta bródú an Gradam seo bhaint. Agus tá sa mór ag na cuairteoirí le bheith abalta éisteart leis an forann a cant Gaeilge le dhéile, agus tá sa mór agam mórmhainne se coinnead leis.
I'd highly recommend any business to enter the Gradam.